Alright, how's it going? Hunter from Hunter Short Repairs, and got a different kind of video for you today. So if you've worked in a big building before, you probably have these large ventilation fans, or small ones like this, and this is the one we're working on today. We're just replacing the belt. Matter of fact, I will show you what's going on. So give me just a second. Let me turn the flash. All right, and I do apologize for bad angles, but as you can see, there's the motor. And I have tested it to see if it works, and it does indeed work perfectly fine. But if you look down in there, there's the belt. This thing's been off for I think like 10 years. And as you can see, the bearings still work great. Just the air pulling through naturally is enough to keep it turning. So the bearings are fine. The belt just needs to be replaced. But anyways, we're gonna do that. I gotta get this big panel off, and I'll get back to you when I get that off. Okay, so there's only 2 more bolts holding it up, and I'm gonna have to go to the opposite side because it's a metal box. I don't want it to fall on me, so we're just going to get at it from the other side, and hopefully it'll fall to the ground, or I should be able to catch it. Alright, so as you can see, the box is off now, and here is our old belt. I would say that the belt is definitely the problem. Looked like it just gave out or was loose, something. But I'm gonna get this box out of the way. Probably I'm gonna clean this too. Look at all that crap in there. So let me get this out of the way, and I'm gonna inspect up there and see how it looks. All right, now that the box is out of the way, I'm sure you want to see that the motor is working just fine. Honestly, it looks brand new. It's not very old. There's the other pulley for the fan up in there. This switch is the motor. And it sounds perfect. So, alright, now the hard part's going to be getting the belt wrapped around that other pulley. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the belt around the pulley up there. Now I need to walk it onto the motor pulley. So I'll be right back. It's probably going to be really hard to show that. So I'm going to go get a screwdriver, and we're going to hopefully slip this belt onto there. So I'll be back. Well, silly me for not realizing it before, but these on each side have to be loosened so the motor can move up for the belt to go on. I tried using a screwdriver to slip it over, but then I noticed that, and you can see it's moved down about a 1/2 inch. So I need to raise it about a 1/2 inch to allow the belt to slip on. So I will be back once I do that. Well, as it turns out, I do have a good angle here, so we'll try this out. And see how this goes. Oh boy. that's not helping, so I'll be back. I need to get another tool. All right, you wouldn't believe how long that took, but basically the adjustment pieces that were here, these were making the motor way too low, so the belt wouldn't fit. So I had to spread the metal out over here and hammer this whole section up until the thread part matched the hole. So now, as you can see, the belt is on there, and it's, you know, it's not too tight and it's not too loose. It's honestly about where it should be. And that's probably what happened to the old belt, is it was too tight and it just shredded to pieces. You want a little bit of play, you know, just a little bit, and that's perfect. So let me get this other bolt in, and then we're going to test it out and see how it does. There's probably going to be dust and all kinds of stuff from in here that's going to go everywhere, but I'm going to stand on that side. So give me a second, let me get that other bolt through. All right, moment of truth. I am well away from everything, so here we go. Yay, it's all working. Look at that. All right, we're gonna turn it off. Because now we got the fun part of putting it all back together. So let me just, do that. It's all back together and running. Pretty happy with this repair, even though it took way longer than I expected. But it's done. So hope you enjoyed. I work maintenance at a condo, so if you want to see more videos like this, drop a comment down below. And have a great day.